One of the biggest questions I get asked is, how did I go from my 9 to 5 to now making multiple 5 and 6 figure income streams online in my 50s? The fun thing is there's multiple ways that you can go about this. I didn't even know this until I learned it. It might be learning a few new skills and maybe stepping outside of our comfort zone a little bit, but that's what honestly makes it exciting. And at our age, yes, we need some excitement. Okay, so before we dive in case you haven't met me yet, my name's Wendy. I'm a wife, a grandma to 3 beautiful littles, and a former 9 to 5er. Yes, I retired at 55 years of age from my 9 to 5 in October of 2024. I help fellow midlifers like myself learn to discover multiple different ways that they can make an income in the online space so they have options going into retirement. Yes, even if you're a complete beginner, because that's what I was. In this video, I'm going to share with you what I've been doing, what actually worked, and yes, the things that didn't, and why actually people over their 50s are finally finding freedom. If you want the exact blueprint that I've been following, I've linked it in the description below for free. So stay with me in this video because point 4 just might be the turning point for you, just like it was for me. Especially if you don't consider yourself tech savvy. The digital space is full of opportunities, and yes, even for us in our 50s, 60s, or more. One of the biggest shifts is happening right now, and it's the rise of the digital learning industry. It is projected to hit over 3 billion, yeah, that's with a B, billion globally. People are no longer going back to college. They're learning YouTube, they're taking e-courses, they're downloading digital guides and learning from digital programs and joining online communities. And that means there's a massive, massive opportunity for people like you and me to tap into that trend. You can become somebody who shares valuable programs and tools and strategies that other people are looking for. I had no idea how big this market was until I started exploring it. And once I saw it, I couldn't unsee it. And here is what most people don't know. You don't have to create your own digital product or program to get started. I'll explain how all that is possible in just a minute, but I do have a quick question for you. What would you do if you had more time freedom in your day? I'd love to know. Drop it in the comments below, and I answer every single one of my comments. This industry is growing with or without us, so why not grow with it? What if the first product you sold online was the same one that taught you how to sell it? That is exactly what I did back in February of 2024, and I learned from this blueprint program, and it had the master resale rights attached to it. I wasn't ready to invest in something from scratch, to create something that I had no clue what to do. I needed something that worked. I wanted a proven system. This course taught me all the skills that I needed, the skill sets that I use today, and it also gave me the first product that I was able to promote to make 100% profit. And I went on to make $54,000 in my very first month. Yes, mind-blowing. What really stood out to me, it was a learn and earn program. So while I was learning all the different strategies, income streams, social media, sales funnel, I was able to earn by sharing the exact educational course with other people. Now, the neat thing is, while you're learning, you can become certified and have the license to resell the program to make 100% profit. That means you don't have to stress about creating your own course or program from scratch as a beginner, because who knows how to do that? You can start with a proven, done-for-you program that is already converting. And you can get paid while you're learning how to build additional income streams and create more revenue. Yes, you can eventually create your own course, you can create your own digital product, but you don't have to start with that, which is amazing for beginners, let's face it. So now you can start, you can grow fast, and you can build an income with confidence. So if you've ever felt overwhelmed by starting your online business, trust me, this is a shortcut for you. And the next step is going to totally surprise you. Comment freedom below if you want to see the exact blueprint that I have been following. Have you ever felt like you're too old or not techy enough, that the online space is for the young people? I was 50 when I started looking for ways to earn online. And I was 55 when I found this program. So do the math, you can figure out how old I am. What really caught my attention is that grandmas and grandpas and people in their 60s and 70s were learning this skill set and making an income online. So I knew if they could do it, why couldn't I do it? This program is designed for beginners, thank goodness. It didn't assume that I knew what a sales funnel was or how an automated system worked. It showed me how to set up everything step by step by step. So it gave me everything like a complete done-for-you program so I could start earning from while I was learning from it. Isn't that amazing? And the funny thing is, our age group, people in our 50s, are the ones really trying to look for new ways because we're approaching retirement and we are knowing that we don't want to keep working at that same 9 to 5. We want other options. Our age group is really striving to learn new ways. We're kind of a self-sufficient group of people. We were raised, work hard, make sacrifices, and we're not afraid to learn. We're not afraid of hard work. What we are afraid of is retiring without the income that we need. So I decided I was going to teach this 55-year-old brain new ways to earn. And if young people could do it, I could do it. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need a desire to learn and a willingness to try new things and to teach your brain new tricks. And this program is exactly what I needed. It was a complete done for me, step-by-step learning program. So it was good. I understood it. And if I didn't get it, I could rewind, watch training videos again until I did get it. And the fact that it gives me the master resale rights and get certified so I could resell the exact program that's radically changing my life and teaching me these skill sets to make 100% profit from, that's amazing. So maybe you're sitting there wondering, Wendy, can I do this? Will it work for me? Well, the answer is yes. It can work for you if you want it to. It's the exact same program I've been using and thousands of other people are plugging into every day and getting results. Just look at the results on my screen. And this is happening every single day in our community. You don't need to have a tech background, thank goodness, because that is not me. And you don't need a fancy degree. You just need curiosity, commitment, and a willingness to learn something new. So if you have that, you're in the right place. So what if you could actually make money while you sleep? I know it sounds impossible, and I literally didn't believe it until it actually happened to me, but that is the power of automation. And this is what makes this business model so appealing, especially to our age group, because we really want that time freedom back, and that's what having automation gives you. My funnel collects leads for me, follows up with emails, and even closes sales, because I'm not a salesperson. I'm really glad the automation does it for me. I remember this past February, I was at a water park with my grandkids, and I got notification on my phone that sales was coming in. Just look at this video right here. That is the power of having an automated system that works for you 24/7. And that's when it really hit me. I have a freedom machine here. This is what I call it. It's our freedom machine because it gives me my freedom back. It gives me the ability to live life on my terms. And really, that's what I've been looking for. So this is how it works. When people get into my lead magnet, they get a video series that does 90% of the explanation for me. Then they get emails that answer questions and invites them to a live class. These systems are built and designed to convert. 1 out of 20 people that go through this process end up purchasing. You don't need to be working 24/7 to earn online. With automation, you build it once and it continues working for you over and over and over again, giving you back your time. At the end of the day, what's all this really about? It's for me about getting my time back. Freedom with how I spend my day. It's not about chasing flashy cars or purchasing a mansion. It's about freedom. It's having enough in our retirement fund so we can do the things that we want, things on our bucket list. We can be there and provide extras for our family. It's allowing me and my husband to take a step back from a stressful job that we've been doing for literally 35 years. I used to think that retirement was literally scraping by because that's how I've seen our parents do it, but I didn't want that for our retirement. I wanted something different. Now we've been able to invest money and have money working for us. I've turned what I've learned in this program into multiple different income streams that pay me automatically, and I teach others how to do the same thing. This digital space is not just for the next generation, it is for us too. You deserve to have more time, more freedom, and more control over your future. So comment freedom below and I'll send you the exact blueprint, or you can get the link in the description below. So you don't need to settle for burnout, boredom, or no income in retirement. You can learn new ways. You can teach your brain new strategies to start creating an income that works for you 24/7. So now I've actually shared with you, opened your eyes to additional ways that you can earn online in your midlife to give you other options. You might be wondering how I've used these exact strategies to earn multiple six figures and retire myself at 55 years of age. You can learn all about that in this video here. And when you partner that with what I just taught you in this video, your eyes are going to be opened to how it can work for you too. See you in the next video.